Hello guys and welcome back to AppWhiz. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to check all the devices connected to your Snapchat account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version because some features may not appear if you're using an older version. Once the app is updated, open Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down until you find the Session Management option. Tap on it. And here, you'll be able to see all the devices that are currently logged into your Snapchat account. If you notice any unknown or suspicious device, you can log it out immediately to keep your account secure. And that's it. That's how you can easily check connected devices on your Snapchat account. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AppWhiz for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.